Hey guys, I'm taking a documentary, as Matt said.
Documentary about the life ways
Matt
of
calls this a
crickets.
documentary, so we're doing a documentary.
About
Marco's still
crickets.
Steve on Death Drop.
I'm who?
Crickets.
I'm Steve then.
I'm
You're
an Iron
Steve.
Man.
And Matt is Iron Man.
Da-da-da-da. Marco, show him the. I mean, Marco. No, show him the tab thing. Tap.
This is who Iron Man really is.
Yep.
He's not Tony Stark. He's Matt.
Matt's real name is Robert Downey Jr. He just doesn't want us to call him that. He likes the name Matt, so he gave it to himself.
God. I'm up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna go for this.
Without the rope, Batman. The wrong.
I did it. I went first.
It looks like a piece of candy. Yes, for
A is for mom.
Oh my God, Brandon.
Amazing. Da, 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 da. A is for mom because she is amazing. B is for mom because she is bananas. C. A is for Marco because he's stupid. That makes no sense, but let's just go with it. Hey, Marco. Just landed in the water.
Yeah.
There's a guy here with a Buzz Lightyear skin.
That's what I just said.
What?
You're mean.
Oh, well, what's his name? Hold on.
Your mom.
Brandon.
You
What?
Brandon.
Well, for me, he's Alex. For me, he's Alex.
Alex? Alex? There's no Alex in this.
Mario.
Marco, there is no Alex in this game.
Nope, missed.
What do I do? Wafting them. No, I hate you. I'm just kidding. 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 Marco's fat. I'm just kidding. That was totally a joke, yeah.
Sure it was.
Yeah. Everybody says it is. Now just let me look at my sexy face.
Oh.
Say his for Jake. Look at Ninja Man in chat. See his for chicken.
Oh,
Has no idea what the heck is going on. Just
where should I
decides
jump?
to join in.
I'll jump right here.
It's for caterpillar.
Oh my God, the guy with the black block needs to go right there.
I am the silver.
Who's black?
Your mom. Oh my God, I should.
I think Creeper's black.
Who's black? Mom?
That is racist.
No, it's not.
Not it's
Oh, no, I know.
offensive to 5 people in the USA.
Creeper. Where's
God.
Creeper? I need the black block right there.
Hey,
it's rap. I thought that was water.
You're fat.
Where's Creeper? I don't see Creeper.
I don't see your mom.
Is Creeper invisible?
You were invisible. You're a wizard, Harry.
I'm a wizard.
No, that was my nickname. Harry.
Oh gosh. Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's rap.
I'm scared. I made it.
Yeah. I did it.
Alright, we all have to team up on Emilia. Emilia Earhart.
Especially since I'm in second place.
Emilia Earhart. The woman who flew a crane.
And then mysteriously disappeared because she got raped. What? Hey.
Because she ate too much potato chips and had very weird mirages.
Yep. Cause that's how you see
There was a
Mirage.
magical unicorn that guided her to the way of the water.
Oh my God.
Just like Ninja Man had fallen into the water.
You know why Ninja Man became Ninja Man?
Why?
Because he said man ninja skills.
Because he's like, I want to
Because
be a
he likes
ninja.
craft tables.
Next thing you know, he becomes a chef in McDonald's. Then he's like, I really want to be a ninja. So you know what he does? You know what he does?
Comes a ninja.
Stays at his job at McDonald's for a while to practice.
How is that
But,
even possible?
but after he practices a while, you know what he does?
What?
Never succeeds
I don't know,
and goes
like-
to failure
like
and lives
got
in
a-
his mother's
got a
basement
wife
for the rest of
and-
his life. All right. Hey Marco.
What?
Um,
The heck is
I
that?
just
Anybody
gotta-
else see that motorcycle outside?
I know. Noah.
TJ, is that you?
Oh,
Really?
No, it's not.
Oh, that is you!
That's
My brother just called me with Travis's name on it. It said Travis, and his TJ's picture would switch between whatever you call him, Mitt Romney, and
Obama.
a crab, a blue crab with a monocle.
All right. Did anybody else see that? Did anybody else hear that motorcycle that just flew by?
Yeah, I know. I heard that.
Get out in the car.
Get out the car.
Vroom vroom.
Okay,
Oh, you failed! Ooh.
I fell in the
Guys, my
snow. I
turn.
didn't even make it to the water.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Where's Creeper? Creeper, get your black butt over here.
Oh, that's right.
I thought that was your mom.
Marco, just because I say black doesn't mean it's racist.
No, it's not saying
He's
nothing.
white.
Just because Marco, just because he's just black doesn't mean you have to get offensive. Like I know we are, and I know it's okay.
I'm black. Bro,
Yeah.
That means I am too.
No.
We all are.
We are.
No, wait, can you eat more than one?
We all are secretly turtles in disguise.
Yeah, we're like Elijah's
Mom.
cousins.
Yeah, we're all alive.
Hi.
Mom.
A race of
Don't say the bad word. No, what'd you say?
Black. Black.
That is pretty dangerous. Living life on the edge.
Pretty dangerous.
Living like
I-
Larry.
I live in the ghetto.
Man, it feels good to be a gangster.
No.
No,
So here's the song goes. Man, it feels good to be a gangster.
You know what else that feels good to do? Punch
What?
Marco in the face. I know, I've tried it.
And have you done it?
Yes, I have.
I hate you.
And you didn't like it.
Why
good to be gangster.
It's man, it feels good to be a gangster.
Thug.
Thug life. Black. Thug life. Thug life.
Guys, I didn't choose the pug life. The pug life chose me.
I like puns. I'm in first place.
No, that's not water. This is.
The colorful one?
I am Super Saiyan Goku.
Yeah.
I am Super Saiyan Goku. As you, if you may all please put your attention onto the chat. I am Super Saiyan Goku. I am Super Saiyan Goku. Hey, no, I got a candy.
That is
I think that's
nasty.
my cat now. Marco, you remember that?
Yeah.
I get a candy.
Oh,
No, it's Sean.
oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Little song. Oh. I thought I just put the T apostrophe afterwards.
It's not just a T. It's not any T. It's my T.
Oh.
And frankly,
No,
I'm thirsty.
You're so social. This is my A.
this is my alphabet.
A, B, C, D.
So my word is Nequazer dirty calligrapher.
My name is Quarter.
I think I nailed that one.
Yeah. Green Bolt has missed the water. Attention everyone, Green Bolt has missed the water.
I'm sorry, Noah. I'm sorry, Noah. I actually own the proper alphabet. Stuck like.
Da-da-da-da-da. Yeah.
Everyone's gonna like, I hate you guys so much for putting this in chat.
You know what I'm gonna say?
Thug life.
Um,
Bug.
yeah, um,
Jug life.
I know another kind of life.
Get a.
Oh, look, get a lot.
I actually have a hat that says "Got a Life," and I
Yeah, it's a
flashlight
Mario
over
hat.
his face every single day. Guys, with this jump, I will claim first place. Ready? I'm already in first place, but who cares? Alright. Crap.
Okay, in first place. Crap.
Like, when I jump off the edge, it, like, sort of pushes me out of the way. Like, what? I was going... Maybe it's good to be... I want more.
Guys, it says please slow down, chat. You may get kicked for spam. That's not good.
Like, yeah, I'm definitely spamming when I go, like, when I do this. Oh!
Oh.
Why am I all soft?
Oh.
Spanya, Papadi Shiba.
If you were gangsta, why play a kid game instead of selling drugs?
Papadi Shiba. Papadi Shiba.
That says Barbed is Sheba.
Babadishia.
Sheba. Says Sheba.
Shiba.
Yeah, exactly.
Nah.
Matt, why'd you choose that Superman outfit out of
If
every
you
single
were gangsta, why
one?
play
You
a
chose
kid
like the
game instead
golden
of selling
red one.
drugs? Oh. No, it's nah. Nah, 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 nah.
No,
Nah, 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 nah.
Na 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 na.
Nana. Wait. If we're
Hey,
gonna
Matt.
go
Alphabet.
No, if we're going, guys, if we're going banana, baby boop, baby bat. Guys, if we're going banana, we have to go banana. Every time I jump, it like pushes me to the left.
Go Green Bolt.
To the left, to the left. Okay, this episode is really fun. This documentary, I should say, about turtles.
Yeah, but this is not an episode. This is a documentary, Matt. Hi, Steve. How's it going?
I am not Steve.
On my screen you are.
Guys, look in chat. Guys, look in chat.
I like cheese puffs.
Cheese puffs are good.
I used to go to Matt's house all the time, and we had cheese balls.
Yeah, I have some cheese balls when I run down here. It may take a couple, 3 hours, but it's worth
I mean,
it.
I have Cheetos out in the kitchen.
Your
I
friends.
had mom. Oh no, I don't.
She's actually out in the living room, but you feel free to take her. I'm just kidding. I love my mom. My mom's good.
Aw.
Yeah. Yes.
Did you know
Yeah, I win!
I win?
Nuh-uh.
Should we do another round?
Prove it.
Should we do another round?
No, let's not do another round. I'll see. Guys, see you on please subscribe. Check out what Matt check out the
Unsubscribe, like, favorite, I'm best ever of best.
Bye.
Yeah,
Cheese
best.
puffs.
Best
This is
of the
documentary about
best.
cheese puffs.
Best.
This is
Cheese,
documentary about cheese
cheese
puffs.
puff,
Cheese puffs.
cheese balls, cheese.
Balls. Yeah, cheese balls. Cheese balls.
Cheese.